Good morning, my dear viewers. This morning, I am driving through Al Balad, the historic district of Jeddah. The streets are calm and quiet. It is the morning after Eid, and many people are still at home with their families, resting and celebrating. That makes the roads less busy than usual, which gives me the chance to take in the sights around me without the usual traffic. Tall palm trees and green shrubs are planted neatly on both sides of the road. They bring a soft, refreshing contrast to the old buildings and stone walls. The greenery adds life to this historic part of the city. The sun shines gently over the rooftops. Since it is still early in the morning, the heat hasn't kicked in yet. The breeze through the window feels cool and pleasant. It is the kind of morning that makes you slow down and enjoy the moment. As I drive deeper into Al Balad, I pass old buildings with beautiful wooden windows and carved balconies. Some of them are over 100 years old. Their unique designs tell stories of the past. You can almost imagine the lives of the families who once lived here, watching the streets from behind the wooden windows. There is a mix of quiet charm and old elegance here. The streets curve and narrow in some places, then open up again. A few locals walk along the sidewalks, taking slow steps, enjoying the peaceful morning. Ahead of me, modern skyscrapers begin to appear. They rise above the older buildings as I approach the center of Al Balad. It is a reminder of how Jeddah continues to grow while still keeping its roots. The old and new live side by side here. On the left, there is a view of the water, the Red Sea. The surface is calm and smooth, reflecting the sunlight like a mirror. The sea breeze reaches all the way here, adding to the fresh feel of the morning. This view connects the city to its long history as a port, welcoming ships and travelers from the far-off areas. Even though I am driving, it feels like time slows down. The streets, the sunlight, the soft greenery, it all creates a sense of peace. There is no rush today, no noise, no stress, just the quiet beauty of a city waking up after celebration. Al Balad is more than just a neighborhood. It is a living memory, a place where history, culture, and daily life meet. I keep driving slowly, taking it all in, feeling grateful to witness this side of Jeddah. And as I near the end of my drive, I know one thing for sure. Al Balad leaves a lasting impression. It is a place that has got everything. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you like, and comment. We look forward to bringing more videos.